we saw the style attribute earlier. We'll try to apply some of those now. Style border color, I'm gonna give it as red. Border width, I'm gonna give it as 1 pixel, and then border style is solid. Okay, now you might be wondering, with the previous example, the style I applied and the border properties that I used was so simple and small. Why is it so huge now? We'll see that. You see, you got the border now. I'll show you what I did in the previous example. See, it also applied the same border. It looks the same. The thickness that you see here is pretty much this border and this border being overlapped. Now this and this does the same thing. The only thing is this property is well defined in the sense the color is a separate property within this attribute. So style is attribute, these are the values. Inside these values you have properties here now. So border color is very specific, border width is very specific, and border style is very specific, whereas this is called the shorthand style. Now with shorthand, it has a specific format. Now see here, style. When I hit style and border, immediately the first thing that it shows is the width of it. Next is the style. The third is the color. So it's basically the shorthand of it. Now, most of the websites will obviously have similar styles for 3 items in a row, right? But wouldn't it be good if, without this being declared here and here and here, all these spaces, would it be good if it is being declared at one place and we just have reference to that? Because let's say today this is red, tomorrow you want to change it to blue, so you have to change it to blue here and then change it to blue here and then blue here. So it's pretty difficult, right? So it's better if we have something like a class. Yeah, class is what we're going to do in the upcoming videos, but right now we'll see what these fonts can do. Within style, you can actually have so many properties mentioned, like say you can have another border here. See, you got another border here. Now at the same time, you can have another property, say font. Now you want to say font family is what now? Now I'm not typing any of these. This is basically the auto sense from Visual Studio Code that you get. Now you are inside the style attribute and the codes are open. So and when you actually type something within this code, it knows the list of styles that we could apply. Now text align right. See, so you don't have to memorize all this. We'll see some of this in the upcoming videos, but these are all very self-understanding. Now let me just do an A. This is the properties for A, and I do B. You see all the properties for B. C, color. Okay, let's do a color here. We'll do a orange. Oh, orange is what you get. So color is basically the font's color. you have something called a background color, which could be different, say black. Now just look at this div, and you have a paragraph inside div, and there's a style. This style, whatever I have given here, the style is only applied on this paragraph because I have mentioned this, all these information in this paragraph alone. So that's how style works. So we just saw a few items here: border, color, text line, and then background color. So I believe there's like at least 1,000 styles here. See, for each alphabet you get so many. So you have so many styles to be applied. But we're not gonna apply the styles like how you see here. We have a different method for that. We'll see that.